Title: Walnut, Nutrient-Rich Goodness and Brain Health. Introduction. Walnuts are prized for their distinctive taste and versatility in the kitchen over the centuries. But these tiny powerhouse nuts are more than just flavor. They are packed with vital nutrients as well as healthy fats. Walnuts are now recognized as a superfood that has many health advantages. Particularly, their ability for supporting brain health has caught the interest of scientists and health-conscious individuals alike. In this post, we'll explore the walnut's nutritional value and their effect on the brain's health, as well as how you can include them in your daily diet to reap the maximum benefit. The nutritional powerhouse. Walnuts aren't just tasty, they are also extremely nutritious. They're a great food source for healthy fats, which include omega-3 fatty acids that are essential to brain health. Healthy fats are essential in the creation of brain cell membranes as well as improving the communication between neurons. Furthermore, walnuts are high of antioxidants and vitamins, as well as minerals, which are vital to overall well-being and health. Omega-3 fatty acids for cognitive support. Omega-3 fatty acids that are found in walnuts, including the alpha-linolenic acids, ALA, has been associated with improved cognitive performance and overall brain well-being. Research has shown that regular intake in omega-3 fats can aid in reducing the chance of cognitive decline due to age as well as improve memory and learn capabilities. Integrating walnuts into your eating routine is a simple and healthy way to increase the intake of these healthy fats and also support mental well-being. Antioxidants, protecting brain cells. The antioxidants found in walnuts, including vitamin E and polyphenol, play an important function in defending the brain from damage that is caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can be associated with a variety of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. A regular intake of walnuts as well as other foods rich in antioxidants can lower the risk of developing these diseases and improve the health of your brain throughout your life. Improved cognitive function. Numerous studies have examined the impact of walnuts on the cognitive functions. A study showed that people who ate walnuts on a regular basis had better cognitive function as well as improved processing speed, memory as well as information processing. A different study suggests that eating a diet rich in walnuts could improve the health of your brain and enhance overall cognition. The findings suggest that adding walnuts in your diet could positively impact the health of your brain and functioning. Heart-brain connection. Our brain health is directly linked to the health of the cardiovascular system. Omega-3 fatty acids as well as antioxidants found in walnuts provide a variety of advantages for healthy heart. Through increasing blood flow and decreasing inflammation, walnuts aid in maintaining the health of your brain. Walnuts' healthy fats are also associated with the risk of a lower incidence of stroke. This is an important risk factor in the decline of cognitive function. Incorporating walnuts into a healthy diet that is heart-healthy can provide an added benefit of supporting the brain and cardiovascular health. Integrating walnuts in your diet. Incorporating walnuts into your daily food regimen is simple and is possible by a variety of ways. Here are some suggestions to make it easier for you to enjoy the nutrient-rich goodness of walnuts. 1. Enjoy walnuts on their own or mix them in with other dried fruit and nuts to make a tasty and delicious snack mix. 2. Add crushed walnuts to the top of oatmeal, salads, or yogurt for the texture of a walnut and add nutty taste. 3. Replace refined flours with walnut flour when baking recipes to increase the nutritional value of your baked goods and to give baking products a delicious flavor that is nutty. 4. Make use of walnut oil as an alternative to salad dressings and cooking because it has similar beneficial fats that are found in walnuts as a whole. Conclusion. Walnuts go beyond being an enjoyable snack. They provide a powerful source of nutrition that has a wealth of benefits for the brain. A unique blend with omega-3 fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in walnuts makes the perfect supplement to your food plan. Incorporating walnuts into your routine and reap many benefits to improve brain function, cognitive health, and general well-being. Therefore, go ahead and take a bite of tasty walnuts each day to feed your brain while promoting an overall healthier life.